Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to send partners gift in Monopoly Go. So I will walk you through a powerful strategy to maximize your success in Monopoly Go's latest gift partners event. So this event had a grand prize of 5,000 dice along with other exciting rewards like a sticker pack, a Mr. Monopoly token and a unique emoji. The event ran for 5 days and 10 hours, so there was plenty of time to dive in. To participate, you need to have friends in the game. Invite active players who have been consistent in past events, as their activity level will significantly impact your success. You can collect pieces by spinning dice and landing on certain board spaces, completing daily rewards and hitting in-game milestones. Additionally, head to the in-game shop where you will find free gifts every 8 hours. This may contain pieces to help you progress in the event. Once you have gathered enough pieces, start spinning the wheel. For faster progress, use the highest multiplier available, which is 600 per spin, if you have enough resources. This strategy will help you fill up the progress bar faster and unlock the major rewards. As you spin, the progress bar fills up on the left side of the screen, unlocking rewards like dice, Monopoly cash, and a minimum 5-star sticker pack along the way. So that's your strategy to win Gift Partners event in Monopoly Go. Let us know in the comments if you found this guide helpful. Hit like and subscribe for more game winning strategies.